आज पूरा पूरी एंजॉय करेंगे। अरे सही देखने में बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
अरे भाई
The red one and the black one.
Right now we are going for the dinner. One of our uncle is inviting us for the dinner, so thank you so much, uncle. This pen is presented by father of Ismail. So Uncle Ismail Pe, thank you so much. We are heading to Tamenglong Market. So अभी हम लोग का रूम से निकल चुका हूँ, रास्ता पे हूँ, धीरे धीरे आस्ते आस्ते निकल रहे हैं. We both of us is going to the market. So this is the way that we are walking through it. These days Corona is very strong. So wearing mask is very much important. So nani erokom bala ni kita hoise. Amar ekhon mask na lagaya bala hoito nai to. Tebina naga kota bi bar pran na jene. Bole bi ye mask to alop piche time. Alop piche time. Oh no. If you ask me to have a vlog in Nagamis, I will try my best. So if you like to have a vlog in Nagamis, do comment in the comment section so that I will be vlogging in the next episode in
Nagamis to kole pare na.
Kole pari to ki apne la mask boy. Mask
मैं अभी बाजार ना जाबो
na jabo holi na.
मैं ना जाबो
Na jabo holi bi mask to lagi to rasta te protection hoyi na. Na corona virus ai kile
ते मनु भी ना होय
manu pawo. Today we are hang out for the
केनन कपाकुरी बोले
aise jaise
40 रुपीस वाला स्प्रे गए
40 rupees. ये mask 5 रुपए का है भाई.
Langsung bazar tap.
Hamadai, we four of us
No, I'm not going.
are going to market. I know.
Three of them.
I
We
am
are
going to force him.
just to select a second hand
If,
pen.
if he is not accompanying with us, we are not going
tomorrow
to stay
shooting.
with him anymore.
They may you love tea.
So this is the place where we stay. And then I'm not going to look at her. And then sorry, friend, most of my friends complaining me that why I usually use front camera. So the result is that कैमरा था वो खराब हो गया, इसीलिए मैं हमेशा के लिए फ्रंट कैमरा यूज करते रहता हूँ. We almost reached Bazaar, not Bazaar, Bazaar. Follow my pronunciation. अभी हम लोग जगह पहुंचा नहीं है, इसने प्रॉमिस किया कि वो हम लोग को ट्रीट करने वाला हूँ. So finally we are looking for the second hand. We have started. Let's begin. We don't find anything to purchase, so we are leaving this shop and then we are going to the next shop. Second hand वाला. हम लोग बाजार फेयर से पहुंच गया है. अभी we are in market. Tamenglong market look like a kurung cow. And everything is off. I don't know whether my friend is going to find the best one or not, but still then they're busy in searching the second hand. As I said earlier, here in Tamenglong, they only find one ATM, so see the crowd, how they are maintaining. I never thought that here in Tamenglong we will find this sugar cane juice, but we find. So right now we're going to have this sugar cane juice. So we are moving back for the Sindhu, and then our friend Rugu is going to treat us today. So in advance I would like to say thanks. We could find a Sindhu here in this shop, and this may be the best one. वहाँ पे सिंधु मिलेगा ये दोस्तों. अगर आप लोग ये तमेंगलोंग विजिट किया तो वहाँ पे सिंधु अच्छे है. 아이고 मणिपुरी खांदे ए असम नमक होती तोरीको 30 रुपीस में पेरो 50 पेरो बा ए मालिक लाभ पिरोगो बोलता है. आदमी लोग बोलता है सिंधु अच्छा लगता है. वो मणिपुर जाने से सिंधु तो ट्राई करके जाना ही बोलता है ना, इसलिए तो हम लोग ट्राई करने आए हैं. We ordered this furnace and now we could not able to complete it, so we take it and then we are going to take it to our home. Yeah. Here in Tamenglong, Rongmai language is very much important. But atuang aniu rongmai la thai mak tiket. Thong rongmai la thai mak tiket. Still then rongmai la is very much famous in Tamenglong. So we are still busy in searching this again. We still don't find yet. We are finding soon. Don't worry, friend. क्या ये? अच्छा लगा क्या ये? सिर्फ गू का कलर ही चाहिए ना? Here in Tamenglong, the concert, which is organized by ZMO, Zemen Music Organization, they are going to organize first spring season concert that is on 18th of this month. So, if you are here, you can kindly come and yeah. This is Rani Market. You'll find every vegetable here on this market. अरे यार मुझे एकदम ignore किया रे one of the police guy. Finally pan मिल गया. After 20 years, I'm going to eat this. देखिए. I need to have a seat in the middle of the market. Friend, today I'm dying. Oh, I'm dying. My bata is very dizzy. 120 मैंने खाया था. 130 हो गया. 130 हो गया. Yeah, blessing. It is a kind of blessing. काम नहीं कर रहे. Memory blood.
Drunk after eating pan, okay? It's so
Not
funny.
pan, okay. 120. I have now. Right now I'm in 103 smooth.
Tu pan नहीं हो सितो.
I always appreciate Manipur, but तुम्हारा पुलिस जो से था तो Manipur खांग दे ये सब जगह को 3 हाली खा जाता है. Go down there and then here to go Rani Market, and here is a main rasta to temple. Sinwa nai ali kaning mina baby ya. Very tired roaming in the market here and there, going up and down. So chắc không có mà sẽ ai đi.
Chắc là đi không luôn.
Khoai rồi na nhiều. Nó không phải mãi sao.
Cái nào vậy? Đi rồi. Bớt lắc.
Super. ये लड़का देख. He has a lot of talented. बच्चा का तो खेलने के लिए मन कर रहा है. So friend, thank you so much for watching this video. अगर अच्छा लगा तो सब्सक्राइब और शेयर तो जरूर. And then जेल गिफ्ट करने जा रहा है. देखिए. Thank you so much. अपन से समझ लो.
120 का यार
120 का ही है.